I'm so surprised. Just kidding, Mr. McRoberts. I would like to start by thanking the Academy. Because of you, we are provided the recognition for our outstanding performances and artistic abilities on many levels in this industry. Our amazing cast and crew all deserve the recognition for the past 8 months of work. I want to specifically thank our directors and our producers for their patience and guidance during filming. Of course, none of this would be possible without the talents that God has blessed me with. Last but not least, I'd like to take a brief moment to thank my family for the support during the past 8 months. CJ and Andrew, thank you so much for everything that you've done in caring for me while working on this film. This award encourages me to keep doing what we do, to appreciate our characters and share their stories. The Academy has given the confirmation that I'm growing in this industry with everyone else. Again, thank you.